Monitor resolution is measured by the number of dash that a screen can display. Option A dots, option B pixel, option C pitch, option D dot pitch. Answer option B ആണ് pixel. Next question. The distance between pixels is called option A pitch, option B dot pitch, option C line of pixel, option D diagonal pitch. Answer option B dot pitch. Next question. You can print 1200 dpi means distance per inch, dot printing, decimal precision, dot per inch. Answer option D dots per inch. Next question. Number of function key in the keyboard is options 8, 9, 10, 12. Answer 12 ആണ്. Next question. The printing characteristic DPI stands for degree of printing, dot printing index, dot per inch, decimal point index. Answer option C ആണ് dot per inch. Next question. A linear variable differential transformer LVDT has two primary windings, two series aiding secondary windings, movable magnetic core and output voltage of 0. Answer option C ആണ് movable magnetic core. A microphone is classified as thermal transducer, optical transducer, magnetic transducer, acoustical transducer. Option D ആണ് answer acoustical transducer. A minimum spanning tree can be generated by dash algorithm. Dijkstra's, Bellman-Ford, Lamport's, Kruskal's. Answer വരുന്നത് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ്. Next question. A USB host controller can connect dash devices. Options 7, 8, 63, 127. Option D ആണ് answer. Next question. An exclusive or logic gate will have output as 1. Options are when all the inputs are 1, when odd numbers of inputs are 1, when even numbers of inputs are 1, when even numbers of inputs are 0. Option വരുന്നത് B ആണ് when odd numbers of inputs are 1. Next question. An instance of a class is known as a superclass, a subclass, an object, an interface. Option C ആണ് answer. An object. 37. Content addressable memories are better known as RAM, ROM, cache memory, associative memory. Answer വരുന്നത് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് associative memory.